Hey guys, welcome back to Reading with Mo. It's me, Mo, and today we're going to be reading another book in the Caillou series. This book is called Caillou, What's That Funny Noise? If you have a copy, go and get one so you can read along with me. It was time for bed. Mommy tucked Caillou in and kissed him goodnight. Sleep well, Caillou. See you in the morning. Mommy turned out the light and closed the door. There's Caillou in bed, and there's Mommy giving him a kiss. There's Caillou's bedside table with a lamp and a music box on it. There's Caillou's dresser with a chair beside it. And there's a window with stickers on it. Do you have a window with stickers on it? Let's turn the page. Caillou closed his eyes and tried to sleep, but he heard a funny scratching noise in his room, and he saw the shadows on his blanket. Caillou reached for the flashlight from his night table drawer. Caillou called, "Mommy!" There's Caillou looking really frightened with his flashlight in his hand. There's Caillou in bed, and he's waiting for Mommy to come. Mommy came right away. "What's the matter, Caillou?" He pointed at the shapes on his bed. "Monsters, Mommy, look!" Mommy looked at the bed, and then she looked at the window. "Those are just shadows from the window," she told Caillou. There's Caillou standing up in his bed, looking very scared, and there's the shadows on his blanket. Let's see what happens next. Caillou felt better, but what about the noise? "Listen," he whispered to Mommy. "There's a monster going scritch, scratch, scritch." "Let me take a look, Caillou," Mommy said. Mommy searched all around the room. She also checked in the closet. "There aren't any monsters here, Caillou," Mommy said. "Monsters are just make-believe." There's Mommy looking in Caillou's closet, and there's Caillou's toy trunk. Mommy went back to bed. Caillou sang a little song. "I'm not afraid of monsters. I'm not afraid of monsters." Suddenly, the scratch-scratch sound began again. Caillou jumped up and got out of bed. Something soft fell on top of him. Caillou called out for Daddy. There's Caillou looking very surprised, and I don't think that he knows it's just his toy snake that is on his head. Let's see what. Daddy turned on the light. The soft thing was only Caillou's toy, Snakey. "But there's a real monster here too," Caillou insisted. Daddy had a good look around the room. "There's nothing here, Caillou. Let's play your music box to help you fall asleep." There's Caillou picking up Snakey, realizing that it was just his toy. Then there's Caillou turning his head to talk to Daddy, and there's Daddy holding the snake. There's Caillou in Daddy's arms, getting ready to fall asleep again. Caillou tried to settle down. Soon the music stopped and the scritch, scratch, scritch began again. Caillou called out, "Mommy, Daddy, the monster's here!" Caillou jumped out of bed. Caillou's making a run for it. Is Mommy and Daddy going to come to his rescue again? Let's see what happens next. The bedroom door opened. Caillou saw something in the doorway. Caillou thought it was a monster with two heads. Then Daddy turned on the light. It wasn't a monster at all. It was just Mommy and Daddy standing together in the doorway. Imagine how scared Caillou must have thought it was going to be. But it was really just his parents. Let's see what happens next. "But what about the scratching noise?" "Look, Caillou," Daddy explained. "The wind has been making the tree branches hit the window. That's what the funny noise was." Mommy said, "Sometimes ordinary things can seem scary until you know what they are." Just then, something came rushing out from under the bed. There's Daddy explaining to Caillou that it's just the branches hitting the window. That was what the funny noise was. Let's turn the page. It was brown and it made crackling noises. It was Gilbert in a paper bag. "That's not a monster," laughed Caillou. "That's just my cat. You'll be able to sleep fine now," said Mommy. "Here, Caillou," said Daddy. "Teddy will help you sleep." There's Caillou laughing at the fact that Gilbert was under his bed the whole time in that brown paper bag. There's Daddy holding Teddy, and he's standing beside Mommy, laughing at Gilbert. Let's see what happens next. Daddy put Teddy on Caillou's shoulders. Teddy's paws were covering Caillou's ears. No more funny noises, just Caillou and Teddy tucked into bed. "Night, Daddy, night, Mommy," said Caillou. "Night, night, Teddy." Soon he was fast asleep. The end. Thank you for reading this book with me. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends so that I can continue to make videos for you and that we can continue having fun together while reading these amazing books. And I'll see you next time on Reading with Mo. Bye!